Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Okay, inshallah, we'll be doing Surah An-Naas, and if there's any common mistakes that we should cover as well. So let's recite together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Remember the Bismillah. Okay, here we don't say Bismillah. Okay, say Bismillah. Okay, Bismillah with the smile. It's light here. And Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman. The Ra is heavy. Full mouth. Ra, not Ra. Ra. You can raise your tongue to the top of your palate. So Ra, not Ra. Okay, and Rahman. Ha is in the middle of the throat, so it will be Ar-Rahman, not Rahman or Rahman. And similar with Ar-Rahim. So once again, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قل أعوذ برب الناس. قل, not kul. Qul. If you say kul, then it's the other kaf and it will mean eat. So this is very important why we pronounce the letter correctly, because they can change the meaning. Instead of qul and we say kul, then we change the meaning, because qul means say and kul means eat. So here Allah is saying, say A'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. I seek refuge from the Lord of all mankind, i.e. Allah. So قُلْ أَعُوذُ. This is similar to أَعُوذُ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. So it's the same word, أَعُوذُ. Common mistake is أَعُوذُ. No, أَعُو. Hamza here or alif here with a smile, and ayn is right in the middle of the throat. A'udhu. Dhu, remember, not zu. Dhu is when you bite the tip of the tongue. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Bi rabbin nas. Okay, so ra here again heavy. Bi ra, not bi ra. Bi rabbin nas. Here, this color you can see is the orange color, which means you apply ghunna. Okay, you apply ghunna. Anytime you see a noon shadda or a mim shadda, shadda is that little W sign, if you can see. So whenever a noon or a mim shadda is there, it's always with the ghunna, and you do with two harakat, i.e. 1 second, 1 to 2 seconds long. Bi rabbin nas, from your nose. Bi rabbin nas. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Remember, you can always pause the video and practice yourself and then come back. Any words that you find hard, you repeat that few times, like 5 times. After you've done the first ayah, so here we done Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Now repeat it 5 times by yourself and until it's very fluent, where you don't get stuck at all. You don't say Qul a'udhu. No, you don't want that. You want Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Okay, so the big common mistake is that once the student says it, he moves on to the next ayah and then his fluency is not there. Remember, this course is for the one who's finding it hard to recite Quran or doesn't have the fluency and he wants to better his fluency. So I'm going to repeat things like this always throughout the series here, inshallah, just to reassure, this is for beginners, those who are finding it hard to read. So قل أعوذ برب الناس. The next ayah, Maliki Malikin-nas, Ilahi Ilahin-nas, Ilahin-nas, Min. Here, what is this? This is called ikhfa, that's why it's in blue. Obviously, this is not a tajweed class. This is for absolute beginners, so I'm not going to go into any technical tajweed rules. Okay, all I will say is that whenever you see the blue color, then just apply the ikhfa. Just apply the ikhfa. Ikhfa is you do it with gunna, you pronounce the nun sound with gunna, but the main thing is that you hide the nun sound towards the end. So instead of min, it's min. I'm about to close the nun sound, but I don't. Ikhfa. So I don't close the nun sound. Or I don't close my the pronunciation fully. Okay. Instead of min, it's min. I'm about to close it, but I don't. And you do it with the gunna, so it comes from the gunna. Common mistake here is that everyone does it with gunna, but they don't close the nun sound. They will say min, but the nun sound is not closed. So it will be min. Okay. Min sharril waswasil. Min sharril sharri. Here ra is weak. It's not min sharri. Min sharri. Why? Because you got kasra. Okay, this guy kasra in it, not a fatha or dhamma. So min sharril waswasi. Common mistake here is this alif. Okay, we have this alif here to make it long, 2 harakat long, so it would be wasi, not wasi. Common mistake, min sharril waswasil khannas. Waswasil, this is very common mistake. Waswasil, no, waswasi. Waswasi. Then here al-khannas. Al-khannas. Kha is heavy letter, not khannas. Kha, khannas. When you join it all together in one go, min sharril waswasil khannas. Remember the gunna here. Min sharril waswasil khannas. Okay, you can pause the video and practice yourself. Okay, now we go alladhi. Make sure you make it long because of this ya. Because of this ya. Alladhi yuwaswisu. Yuwaswisu. Common mistake here is sometimes the wow is not said properly. Wiswisu, or I had few variation of it, but yuwaswisu is the correct way. Yuwaswisu. Fi sudurin nas. Fi sudurin nas. Sad, heavy letter. Not su. Fi, common mistake here. Fi has to be long. There's a ya after the fa. Okay, في. There's a kasra and then a ya. في, two harakat. في. Then صدور. Do is long because of the wow. صدور الناس and غنة. So يوسوس في صدور الناس. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة. من الجنة. Okay, remember this is jim. من الجنة with the غنة. والناس. والناس من الجنة والناس. من الجنة والناس. Read the whole surah again. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس. ملك الناس. إله الناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس. الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. Try yourself. Alhamdulillah.